If you love korma, then you must try this version of korma. This is chicken dhania wala korma dish from Kashmir. A light yet luxurious chicken dish which is super easy to make. So let's do it. In a bowl, add yogurt, add fennel powder, cumin powder, whisk it well, add a little bit of water and make it a thin batter kind of consistency and set it aside. Heat ghee in a pan, add sliced onion, fry till the onion is soft and brown. In that, add ginger and garlic, saute for another 2 minutes, let it cool down, then add it to a blender and make it a fine paste. Heat ghee in a pan, add the yogurt mixture, stir it constantly and bring it to a gentle boil. In that, add chicken pieces, the onion paste, black pepper powder, salt. Mix it well, cover and cook in medium temperature and check in between and give it a toss till the chicken is done. Then turn the heat to the low and add lots of cilantro, mix it well, cook for another 2 minutes or so, and there you go, a delicious chicken dish is ready.